Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to download the Concord beta on the PlayStation. I know a lot of people are having an issue where you type in Concord but you only see the digital or the the deluxe version. You don't actually see the game. It's only like the paid versions. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing, go to PlayStation Store. Go ahead and type in Concord in the search bar. Go ahead and just type in Concord. It's gonna pop up. Anyways, once you see it, it does say that it's $40. There we go, $40. But what you want to do is you want to click on the 3 horizontal dots, and it's gonna say Concord beta. Now once you see Concord beta, you're now gonna be able to download it, and you should be good to go. So yeah, it was a bit confusing at first, but that is how you can download the Concord beta on the PlayStation 5. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.